Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be back working on my 2017 5th Gen 4RUNNER straight axle project. Stay tuned. Alright guys, today we're back on my 2017 5th generation 4RUNNER straight axle build. We've been working on Rick's truck for a little while and Kaz's truck, and now that all of Rick's parts are at Forever powder coating, we're waiting for them to get powder coated, and we're waiting for a pitman arm and some hind joints to come for Kaz's truck. We can finally work on the 5th generation 4RUNNER a little bit. Today we got pretty much everything designed up in the engineering PC for the cradle, so I can go ahead and start cutting out those pieces and getting those parts assembled. So we're going to run up to Prax there and fill up my gas tank and get some wire, so we'll have a nice fresh start, and then we're going to be cutting out those parts. So this is pretty exciting, guys. It's been like a year since I took it apart. You know, a lot of people on social media have been really waiting for us to get back on it, and they've been really excited for us to start working on it again. And then plus the haters, right, the negative side of the internet, all the people saying what happened and why they didn't finish it. We've been just working on customer trucks. You know, the customer vehicles always take priority over your personal projects. But now that we're back on this, guys, we're going to go ahead and get started here, start designing up, or start taking those parts out of the engineering PC, get them into the pieces for the plasma table, and then go ahead and start cutting them out. So let's get started, guys. Cue the music.
Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules. Dangerous path that I follow. Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it bleed for you, cry for you, oh, oh. Let me bleed. As I bleed for you, cry for you, oh, oh. Let me bleed. Let me bleed. All of the pain seems to follow, like a shadow dark and cold to the touch. Am I insane not to let go? Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it bleed for you, cry for you, oh, oh. Let me bleed. As I bleed for you, cry for you, oh, oh.
Alright guys, Paul and I have been working on the engineering PC for like, I don't know, like 5 hours now. We started work about 5, it's about 10 o'clock at night. So we're going to cut it here, and then we'll catch you guys in the morning, and we've got to just place some things on the cradle that I drew up yesterday, and then we'll get to cutting out. So we'll catch you guys in the morning. Hey guys, picking up where we left off last night. we're going to get right back in the engineering PC here and make a few changes to the cradle, and we're going to start cutting it out. This is so awesome. I've been waiting a year to do this, guys. It's been bouncing around my head. This is super cool. I can't wait to do this. Alright guys, it's about 10:30. Paul had been out here since about 5. We're Monday and Tuesday we just kind of drove around half the day running errands and doing stuff early in the day, stuff we had to get done, those priorities, right? But since we got the business stuff done early in the day, then we got back in the garage and we got the outer pieces cut out of the frame cradle for the driver's side, or the inner and outer. So we're going to move on to cutting out the inner and outer for the passenger side tomorrow. So we'll catch you guys then, and we'll get those cut out. Hey guys, what's up? Picking back up where Paul and I left off yesterday. Derek's going to be coming back over in a little bit, and we're going to cut out the rest of the pieces for the 4Runner cradles. I got to cut out, the driver's side, the driver's side one's done, but we'll cut out the passenger side one, and then the beauty piece that goes on the bottom of those cradles. So let's go ahead and start cutting up some steel. Cue the music.
channel, baby.
Alright guys, all finished up working on the cradle today for my 5th generation 4Runner. So this is pretty excited to be back on the straight axle project on the 5th gen 4Runner, guys. There's only been 2 or 3 done. I was trying to be the first person to do it, but I've been so busy with all these customer trucks, I wasn't able to. RSG Off-Road did, they're somewhere in the Midwest, and then this other company did their truck too. But they're doing trail rigs. It's nothing like my truck. Mine's going to be a nice lifted show truck, not trying to be anything else, not trying to be a wheeler. It's never going to leave the road. It's just going to be a nice lifted truck. But it's pretty cool to be able to finally, you know, I've been thinking about this for the better part of a year now. It's pretty cool to be able to get in the engineering PC and get them drawn up on the plasma table, cut out, and then get them on the welding table and actually tack everything together and see how it's going to look. So it's pretty exciting to finally see it in real life instead of just in my head for the past year. So in the next episode here, guys, we'll get those tacked onto the frame, and then I'm not going to fully weld them onto the frame. We'll fully weld them together, but I'm going to tack them on because I'm going to pull my cab and my engine and transmission out and roll the frame over to fully weld those when it's time to fully weld everything when the truck's done. So we'll get those tacked on, and then the next episode from there, we'll move on to designing up and fabricating the radius arms. So that'll be pretty exciting. Thank you guys for your constant support is always here. Thank you guys for being patient and waiting for this to come back. And thank you guys for being excited to watch us be working on it again. So, but yeah, guys, if you guys like what we do, you like Cougar House Garage, check us out at cougarhousegarage.com. Check us out at Facebook /Cougar House Garage. And we are Cougar House Garage on Instagram, guys. Keep up with all the crazy projects there and the daily story. And we'll catch you guys in the next episode.